my mic goes off. I just want to say that this scent is so delectable on cold. It's lemon chiffon cake amaretto pie crust, and oh my god. For days, I have been sitting here. I love amaretto as a scent because it's like almondy kind of in my mind. But oh my god, it's so good. I just love it. And I feel like I've never heard anyone talk about this scent, but good lord, it's from L3 Waxy Wonders. Anyways, let's get into my kit lineup. So where we left off, I did have a different kit here. I don't remember what kit it was. It might have been, I don't know what it was. What was it? It was a different kit, but I did a little bit of rearranging, basically. I feel like I am not the kind of person who can stick to a lineup. Not that I have big plans to change it, but it just ends up happening. So, I just burped, excuse me. I decided to switch out this kit. I did have, I think, like, Love Potion somewhere in here. But I decided I wanted to use this for my best friend's daughter's birthday. Because I really love this art. And I had this kit here, which is Sweethearts, which I think also has kind of birthday vibes with the balloons. I just tried to watch and see what it was, but I'm too sidetracked. But I decided I wanted to use this because I love the reformatted. I think it turned out so cute. So I was like, all right, let's use that. And then I ended up moving this one back a week. And then I was like, this one has more just like classic Valentine's Day vibes. So let's do that. For the week of Valentine's, this one after the week of Valentine's, and then I ended up moving Love Potion to like May. So I think Love Potion isn't, like, it is very like Valentine's Day vibes, but also like not. So let's go ahead and get into what I have so far as kits and stuff. I decided to like pre-pick my kits and my foil bundles just because my brain is just a little bit out of control, but I have quite a few weeks kind of pre-picked. But it's nice to have them like already in my binder, so as I think of things, or if I want to just like flip through and like change my mind a million times, I can. And also, I could still talk enough for a video, but we're going to go through the March lineup. It was actually really hard because there's a lot of kits that I really wanted to use, but I was just like, you know, you got to make some cuts somewhere. So the first kit that I'm going to use for the week of February 28th to the 6th as of right now is the Cottage core kit, and this was from the Ultimate Foil Bundle. This kit is so pretty. It is exclusive art by Darcy, which is just so beautiful. I love the colors. I just feel like Darcy just really does well with like super whimsical and like fun, like different themes. But I'm obsessed with this kit. I love this extra full box with the scene in there. I knew it needed to be like a full box in itself. I think in the foil bundle, I also paired this with Rose, and I was flipping through the foil bundles that I had, and I was like, wow, this like butterfly one, I think I'm using the butterflies like multiple times this year. I think that Rose is a really pretty pairing for this, so I wanted to keep that kind of vibe, but I love the butterflies with this. I just think there's something about it. There's like a little ladybugs here, and I don't know if there's any butterflies, but I think that it just kind of brings it in so cute. I also brought in 2 bougie boxes because I did get the mini of this. I also brought in some tall box and wide box overlays because I thought that would be really pretty. I don't like actually have any Rose in my like permanent collection anymore just because I don't use it enough. It's more of a fun foil for me. So what I figured I would do is like any leftovers I have of these items, I'll just move over to my next Rose spread, which I'm actually using Rose also quite a few times this year when normally I don't. So yeah, I think that there's just a lot of kits that would look really pretty with the pink. So yeah, the butterfly foil bundle, super pretty. You can see like what the other design is underneath it. And then I also pulled in the month things for those, and then a mix mini icons, the fork and knife mini icons, and then the TV mini icons. I grabbed those at work, and then I figured, like I said, what I have left over of the Rose, I'll just move over to the spread that I'm using Rose next, which I already have one in here, which is kind of wild. So that's the first kit I'm using. The second kit I'm using is also, this is a mystery. Okay, this was the November 2021 mystery, which I am obsessed with. There's actually another mystery coming out soon. I'm going to use that one at the end of summer. That one, I was like, it could be like early summer, but I think it's kind of like August vibes for me. That's coming out. I don't think it's the next one, it's the next one. This one is very March vibes for me. So this is the November 2021 Mystery. I love this color palette. I wanted to do something like a little bit different, and I think Plant Mom is super cute theme. But I wanted to also keep it like very like, not minimal, but also just kind of like that modern home vibe as well. If you're not like, I'm not super into plants at all, but I just think that this is a really cute like home kit that features plants in my mind, because I just love this, and I love like the shadows, and I love the different fashion options, especially this one in the big shirt holding the plant. I think it's so cute, and I love this tall box here. It's just adorable. And I am pairing it with silver. I think this actually is this the foil bundle it came with? It might be. I'm not like 100% set on it. Well, actually, I'm pretty set on it, but I might bring in some confetti to break it up, and then I can use the leftovers in a different spread, and I love this double box. There's lots of seams, and this is just super cute. Like that one and that one was pretty. So yeah, I'm not 100% set on using just this foil bundle. I might, split it up, which I do often, where I'll use like 2 different foil bundles, and then I have enough to use like the extras and another like mixed spread, which is cool. It just gives you a hint of the look. But honestly, I might just use this with like 2 confetti boxes, and then bring in a bow to break up the bottom washi. And then I'll be able to use the extras in another spread. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this. And then I have a quote box from Sadie Stickers that says Start Summer, which I think is really cute. And then I have this wide and tall box overlay. This one here you can flip and make a wide box, but I might do both. Like I might do like the stroke and that, like with the stroke underneath it. I think that would be a really cool look. But yeah, I think that this is a pretty one, and it could totally be mixed with confetti as well, because there is confetti bits throughout, and the headers are confetti. So I think I'm pretty sure I'm going to stick with that one. It's going to be, I feel like compared to the rest of my foil pairings, sometimes some feel a little boring, but I think that is like matches the art as far as it being a little bit more minimal. I don't want to go too crazy with like doing a ton of patterns and stuff. Then I have Lucky Charm, which is actually one of the top selling kits so far for this year. This one and Brunch are probably like in the top 2, and then the next one as well. So this one here is my exclusive art. This one's also exclusive art. So these 3 are all exclusive to my shop. And I am obsessed. This artist's name is Dusk. She doesn't do a lot of like art outside of customs. She does like one every once in a while, but she does a lot of customs for us, like this one. I don't have any other laying around. Ooh, I just got a whiff of something. I think it's the wax melt that's melting in my... No, it hasn't been in my living room for a while. Must just be airflow. Or maybe it's the cups behind me. That's intense. So this is Lucky Charm, and this is like a pastel rainbow Lucky Charm St. Patrick's Day themed kit, and everyone loved this. I was really excited. I feel like St. Patrick's Day is like so hit or miss with like everyone liking it or not, and just being cute, because I feel like a lot of traditional St. Patrick's Day is kind of like the colors, like the darker green is just like not a vibe sometimes, like every few years, yeah, but not every year. But I love this kit. I think it's so pretty. I love the colors. There was this add-on here that made it even more rainbowy. I should grab an extra one of those, because I'm going to go like full-blown crazy on this one. But I think it's so pretty, and I love this bottom washi. She individually drew me all the different Lucky Charms, and then I just like piled them on top of each other and called it a day. I think it turned out super cute, and I don't even know if I'm going to split it, to be honest, because this is probably one of my favorite bottom washis of all time. I mean, I love Lucky Charms. Like, it's not a cereal. It's kind of like Mountain Dew, where I'll go through a phase of it where like, with the Mountain Dew, I can't finish a can of Mountain Dew. It's insane. Unless it's a Baja Blast Freeze, I can finish that, but Lucky Charms I'll buy every once in a while. Bennett loves them, obviously, because it's like pure sugar. There's extra full boxes, that. Anyways, Bennett loves them, but it's one of those cereals that I like to get and just eat like a couple of bowls, and then Bennett will take care of the rest for me. But yeah, it's super cute. I love the colors. I think that the art's really well done. And then I have some different things that I'm looking to pull in. I think I'm going to do a mixed metal moment with hollow and then this green. It's definitely going to be different for me. I was just going to do hollow because I think that that really matches. But Maggie came out with this green that I feel like is almost a perfect match. So I feel like I want to do some green and then some hollow. I might actually pull out the, well, I'm here. I'm thinking that I'm going to pull out just this one, hold on. I think I'm going to pull out the hollow bundle as well, just so I can kind of even mix more. Oops. My seasonal albums are an actual mess right now. So I have those. They're foil bundles by Maggie. You can see the design of the bottom washi and such, but I think I might mix those. And then I also have these like confetti hollow bits. I have these planner choco. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you know for sure. Quote overlays, and then these headers. I have the St. Patrick's Day bucket list from my shop, 2 hollow bougie boxes, and then I also have this from Planet Hannah, which is the Lucky and Hollow clovers, which I'll probably just do like maybe these with then the green ones mixed in, or I might just do the green ones because I feel like hollow always matches, but this green is not going to always match. I haven't decided yet, but if whatever I have left over, I will put like of the like St. Patrick's Day themed things, I'll put in my seasonal bundle for future years. And then we'll do this one and the next one because the next one feels very March to me, even though it kind of like dips into April. This one is Viscount, and this is the Bridgerton like season 2 themed art. Still has kind of like season 1 vibes too as well. I love this. I really had to like do some heavy convincing on Jess. I'm like, you need to do it. You need to do it. And she did it, and I'm like, yes. So here is the kit, and it's beautiful. Like actually like super gorgeous. Like one of my favorites for this year so far. I think it's so pretty. This would also be like a really pretty like alternative Mother's Day kit or like a birthday kit. So pretty. Or you could use this anytime if you're not like into Bridgerton. I think it's just really beautiful art, and I love this bottom washi. And then this is like calling for a quote box, which I have 12 quote box options. So we'll go through those in a second. But let me show you what I have thought process wise for this one. I think this one's pretty set in stone, but I'm using silver with this. I think silver is going to pop against these colors really nicely. I do have the butterfly foil bundle. I think it'll be really pretty. I then also overlay wise, I just pulled out the confetti and the stroke. And then I also pulled out I'm actually not going to use these, so I'm going to just put them away. I'm not using any of those bougie boxes. I pulled out this bow bottom washi to break up the butterflies. I pulled out these underlays from Planet Hannah, the music notes and the florals. I think that it's like a really pretty match. I have these, I think the headers have like butterflies all over them, and I might end up using the butterfly ones, or I'm going to use confetti. I just brought this out because I'm going to use the 2 and then the 1, and then I'll have a full sheet left, like a full week's. I have some little confetti dust things from my shop, and then I also have quote overlays from Kinsey's Creations as well as from Planet Hannah. Lots of foil there, and I think that silver is a really nice match for that one. And then last but not least, and you got a little preview, but y'all probably already figured, for April. April is like birthdays, and I'm using the Labyrinth one for my 30th birthday. So weird to like not have like an actual kit for my 30th, since it seems like a bigger birthday, but like an actual birthday, like a traditional birthday one, but like Labyrinth just like makes sense because it was like something that I wanted to do for myself basically. But like so many people loved that kit, so I was really, really happy with it. So let's go into this one. This one is also exclusive art. This was Tink, and this is also by Dusk, the one that did the Lucky Charms kit. So this is exclusive art that's like Tinkerbell themed, like very fairy core vibes. I love it so much, and I think that this is perfect for March with all of the green, and it's very like, for me, like a cottagey butterfly kind of vibes. I almost used butterflies with this kit, but I didn't want to use butterflies 3 times in a month. I thought that was leaning a little bit crazy. But I mean, if you want to, you can. But I just was like, Andrea, you need to reel it in. Because I also would have used rose or silver, and I already used rose and silver. So I was like, all right, which one of these 3 kits do I think could, like, you know, we can do something different and not have butterflies everywhere. Maggie just came out with like a daisy foil bundle, which would be really cute with this, but I only think it came in like one fun foil color. I don't think it came out in silver yet, but if Maggie releases that daisy in silver, it could be a contender to switch out for this. But also I really like matte bronze with this, the matte bronze sparkle. I think matte bronze in this would be like, just, I don't know, there's something about it that gives me like antique vibes. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it just like brings out the very like antique book feel of like Peter Pan. Does that even make sense, or is that just in my head? I don't know. So I decided to pull out the sparkle. I have 2 of this page. I have a bunch of like Rogue Bougie boxes, and then like 2 pages because I just don't want to have like a bazillion single pages like hanging out. And then I have, you know, scripts and icons, the bottom washi, and then I also pulled out this, which is the tall and wide overlay, the matte boxes, and then also I have this from Randy.Plans, which I think matches almost perfectly. I'm not sure what she calls this color, maybe like matte gold or something, or matte champagne, but it's almost an exact color dupe to matte bronze. So if you ever need some like scripts or custom scripts for matte bronze, definitely check out Randy.Plans. Because I didn't even realize that, but then I like, this one's the Andrea freebie, which if you like use my code and spend X amount, you get this freebie in a random colorway, which has like a bunch of different stuff that like I love on it. But I didn't even realize, because I had all of them in like a stack, and then I like was looking through them and I'm like, is that my bronze? And it was, so I put it with that. So that's everything for this month. Again, we do have the Cottage core kit. I believe all these kits are still available in shop, just the extras probably won't be. So this is Cottage core, which was from the Ultimate Mystery Bundle, and then we have the November 2021 Mystery, we have Lucky Charm, we have Viscount, and we have Tink, all of them being exclusive art to my shop besides Viscount, but that's kind of like really fun and exciting. But I feel like they all very much so give me March vibes, which I'm super into. But yeah, I hope that y'all like this video and you kind of get a little preview of the kits that I'm using. I feel like for the most part, the kits will stay the same, but the foil might change. Last month was definitely a little bit of a special like thing for me to like move the kits around themselves. But like I said, I just put Love Potion here, kept the same foil, and like I think that that'll be perfect for in May. So I hope y'all like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.